Hey, what's up YouTube? I'll be showing you guys how to put your phone into DFU mode just in case your power button is broken. So you're gonna need two things. Well, actually you're only gonna need your iPhone. I'm gonna be using my iPhone 3G. You're gonna need the restore for it, IPSW. So first thing you're gonna want to do is get the file extensions to show. It should say .ipsw right there, but I'll show you. If it doesn't show on your computer, I'll show you how to do it. You go into the start and you're gonna want to type in show or hide, and it's gonna be show or hide file extensions. Once that shows up, you're gonna want to click on this one and hit apply, and now it should show the file extension, which is the IPSW, and there it is. So you're gonna want to rename the bottom, rename the IPSW to zip. So once it prompts you, say yes. So now you want to extract everything out of there. Set up a new folder on your desktop and extract everything out of the file you just opened into the folder. Close it. Open the folder file, and you're gonna want to navigate into firmwares, all flash. So the Apple logo, you're gonna right click it and you want to copy that file and paste it in the same directory. So now you got a copy of the Apple logo and the LLB file. You're gonna highlight the inside, right click, copy it, and then you could delete this file. Go up to the copy of the Apple logo, highlight, rename it, and paste what you just copied off the LLB file. Now you're done inside here. Go back, and from right here you're gonna highlight everything on the inside. And I'm using WinRAR. Usually the Windows operating system comes with a program called Zip. You're gonna want to zip it, or like I said, I'm using WinRAR. Add to archive. Click, make sure you put it as a zip folder, and hit OK. So now we're zipping up all the files that we just unpacked a minute ago. And this file right here is all of these files zipped back up. So you're gonna want to go back to your original IPSW and copy the name. And now the one that the folder you just zipped, rename that, and the zip at the end of it, you're gonna want to rename it IPSW. After it prompts you, click yes. So now you got the IPSW back in its original form. You're ready to go into iTunes. So hold down the shift button, hit restore, and look for the firmware you just built and restore the phone. Now once this goes through the restore process, it won't finish completely. It'll give you an error 37. When it does that, your phone will be in DFU mode after that, which you are able to connect to Red Snow and put it into PWN DFU mode, and you could use programs such as iReb or Snowbreeze to install a custom IPSW. Well, you create the IPSW in those programs and you restore it in iTunes, and you could jailbreak your phone just like that. So let's let it go through the restore process. I can't quite get the phone on to the picture, my cord's too short, but So there's the error 37, and I'll show you right now. The iPhone is completely black, and once you click OK on that, it'll show you on iTunes that the phone is in DFU mode. It'll read it as it's in DFU mode. And there it is. iTunes had detected an iPhone in recovery mode. So after you do that, that's when you could go into red snow, and you see the phone is in WTF mode. All you gotta do is go into extras, pawn DFU mode, and that's it. You're ready to go into iReb or Snowbreeze to create your IPSW. If this helped you out, hit the like button. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. It helps out a lot. Thanks.